Okay, people, we're back again. We're back with the country boy from Illinois. He been here about 3 days, so now he calls himself country. He got a nickname already, the country boy. We harvesting the rest of the potatoes. It is Sunday. I think this is June 23rd. Yeah, June 23rd. And I'm going to leave Lynn with you guys, let him harvest these potatoes and show you what we got here. And I'm going to make a little trip and get me a pair of gloves. I'll be right back to show you the peppers. Okay, Lynn, country boy.
All right, see what we got here. Nope, no good on this one. Out you go. All right, potatoes right here. Come on, potatoes, show me your faces. You know I'm fine for a minute. Ah, here we go. Jackpot. Okay, we got a few good ones. Come here. Huh? Got one out covered. Got another big. Got me another big one. Yeah, boy. Stuck it though. Sorry about that. Seeing some taties. All right. Got me a couple of good ones. On. Ooh. E. R. Yeah, we're on a roll now. Ooh, I got me a couple good ones out of this one. Huh? Making a killing about this bad fella. Few more. Huh? Oh, forgot one. Right here. I'm on a roll today. I'm on a roll tonight. Who the top kid now?
Hey, country boy, how's it looking?
Making a killing.
Making a killing, huh? Okay, well, we need to get this bed here cleaned out today because Fran done gave us a time limit.
Oh, you know I'm not even gonna answer Friday on that.
So we're just going to go ahead and get this bed cleaned out today, people. We're letting the country boy do his thing here. And we're going to show you a little bit about harvesting the potato, and not the potatoes, but the pepper. Oh man, striking gold on the red potatoes.
Yeah.
But we're going to do a little video on the peppers, which we'll probably do a short after we harvest all of it, because we don't want to keep you too long, because we know the attention span is not very long on these things. And don't forget now, Tuesday night, June 25th at 7 p.m., I go live. I'll be on live stream at 7 p.m. Tuesday night. And also Unbiased is live on Tuesday, so there's a possibility she'll be there. There's a possibility she won't. But we got a special guest, David Corey, who's supposed to be the Watermelon King. We'll find out. So join us Tuesday night at 7 p.m. So I'm going to leave the country boy alone and let him finish showing you guys exactly what he's doing. He's striking gold.
Surprising, these a lot of times I'm just able to pull them right out. Huh?
Tell the people what you're doing, country boy.
Huh?
You telling the people what you're doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just putting these these loose ones away. That's all.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to leave a mess behind. Out you go. Okay. Let's see what this one's got for me. Ow. Prickers. Get out of here. Come on, Tatey, show me your faces. We're doing fine for a minute. You're hiding from me. Here we go. See how easy it is to show me your faces? Got me a couple more. Huh? Damn, I'm getting a mess up out of these red potatoes.
Tell them about us eating those fresh potatoes today, country boy.
Oh no, I'm not sure what's eating them.
Did you tell our family on YouTube about us, me and you eating fresh potatoes?
Oh yeah, me and Arthur. I don't know about Arthur, but I jumped on them potatoes like a pack of vultures. I was not polite neither.
And they was fresh.
Yup, as good as all get out. I'm just. Now that's more like it. Huh? Damn, I'm on a roll. And you could go to a grocery store and sell these bad boys.
Yeah, but we're not gonna sell ours.
I'm just saying, you'd probably make a small fortune.
Yes, sir. As much as they cost nowadays.
Yeah. Show me your faces. You hide from me. You ain't gonna hide from me and Arthur. Oh yeah, I'm on a roll today.
Good, good.
Huh? This might be. thought you could hide from me, didn't you? Uh-huh. Y'all ain't slick. Wrong one. Oops.
Well, people, while the country boy was over there and getting those potatoes, I was over there getting those peppers. Got some bell pepper here, and we got some jalapeno peppers here. We've got plenty of them. So what we're gonna do is we just gonna make you a chart as to how many we get, how much poundage we get, and then we'll show it to you in a short. Because like I said, we don't want to wear you patient because we want you to be rested up for Tuesday night, because Tuesday Night Live is gonna be a wild one. I can tell you that now. So from the country boy, the Bandit, we will talk to you later. So you have a good night.
Got a few more for you.
We love you, and there ain't a thing you can do about it.